traction off, it's a no-go. I can't even touch the gas. We're going back in the eco. Let's see what it's like driving this wide body scat in the rain here. Scatpack owners, they hate driving in the rain. Ain't no traction in these cars, man, with all this torque. So if you hit the gas too hard, you can spin. Yeah, but of course, anytime it rains, man, car goes straight into eco mode. We do not play them type of games out here. So I got a homeboy now waiting to get his car fixed because he slid out while it was raining, and his wide body parts are super hard to fix, or super hard to find right now. So definitely would want to avoid messing anything up. Y'all see how I got sideways? It's not that bad, but when you're turning and giving it any type of throttle, or if you're stopping and making any types of turns, like going in around any curves and any turns like this, you got to be careful when you're taking back off or you're giving it gas because you'll spin. As you guys can see, I'm going about 55 right now. Pretty sure I still can spin my tires, and I'm in eco. And I'll show you in just a moment when I get a little bit in a better spot. Got lucky I ain't spinning that. I was only going about 45. So handling in the rain and stuff ain't that bad. I mean, I don't like to drive this car as much as I like to drive my RT in the rain, because my RT had them 4s on it, so I felt a lot safer in the rims for heavy as shit. I got a lot, good traction with those. I never slid really. Alright guys, you see I got it in sport real quick just to see what goes on, because we're on this little back road back here. And I ain't got to worry about too much going on if I do slide. Let's see what it's like taking off from a dig while the ground is wet. Yeah, so nothing but spinning there, as you guys can see. Alright, let's see if I can make it home with sport mode. Of course, traction is staying on. We're not playing them type of games because it's raining. Can't even talk this morning. All I know is I went and did that in a regular body scat. No skinny ass tires, not with no 245, no sir. These 315s is a blessing when it comes to traction, especially in the back. I mean, they're not perfect. You still can slide, still can get loose, but definitely make you feel a little bit safer than riding around with all this power on some 245s or some 275s. Yeah, and if you guys didn't know, you can't downshift without touching the paddle shifters or your center console. You don't have to do any of that. I'll make a video showing you guys how to downshift with no hands if you don't already know. Oh shit. Alright guys, so I made it back to the crib, safe and sound, in sport mode and in eco. You know, as you can see, I ain't slide out no ditch or nothing. You just gotta be careful what you're doing, man. It's all about being smart and knowing what you're doing. You can't be out here driving reckless in the rain in any car, you know, you'll slide out, that's for sure. But in these cars, you gotta be super careful because, you know, the wrong amount of gas will cause your ass to slide into a ditch or into somebody else. But thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. You know, I got some more content coming. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We out. So as you guys can see now, it's raining a little bit harder. It wasn't raining that hard earlier, but the ground was real wet. But it's raining harder now. Trying to make this last minute run to the store real quick. How it does, you know, like I said before, man, as long as you drive the car right and don't do anything crazy when it's wet, you should be good. You just got to be careful with the throttle, man. You know, you got to know your car, know how sensitive the throttle is, and just take it easy. You know, I got these 315s on the back and 305s on the front, so, you know, I got a pretty wide tire hugging the ground, plus the wide body stance, you know, hugs the ground even more. So it definitely helps when you're driving in, you know, wet weather as compared to a regular body Scatpack. Just, you gotta be careful for puddles, you know, you don't want to hydroplane. Especially with how hard it is to get the car parts right now. And you don't want nobody to slide into you, so, you know, it's out here taking it easy until we get to where we need to be. But as far as driving a wide body Scat in the rain, yes, it can definitely be done. You just got to be careful.